Python is absolutely worth learning, whether you're just starting your programming journey or looking to expand your skill set. It's one of the most versatile, beginner-friendly, and in-demand programming languages in the world. Let's dive deeper into why Python is such a valuable skill to have, and why investing your time in it can be one of the smartest decisions you'll make for your career and personal growth. One of Python's greatest strengths is its simplicity. For someone new to programming, the world of code can feel intimidating. Many programming languages have complex syntax that can take months to grasp, but Python is designed to be intuitive. Its syntax is clean and reads much like plain English. This makes Python an ideal first language for beginners, as it reduces the learning curve significantly. For example, a simple program in Python to print "Hello World" requires just one line of code. Compare that to other languages that might require multiple lines of setup, and you'll see why Python is so appealing to those just starting out. This ease of use doesn't mean Python is a toy language. On the contrary, its simplicity coexists with immense power, which brings us to its versatility. Python's versatility is unmatched. It's not confined to one niche or industry, making it a language that adapts to your interests and goals. Let's explore some of the fields where Python shines. Web development. Frameworks like Django and Flask allow developers to build scalable, secure, and dynamic websites. From small personal blogs to enterprise-level web applications, Python makes web development accessible and efficient. Data science and analytics. Python is the gold standard in data analysis. Libraries like Pandas and NumPy make it easy to manipulate and analyze data, while Matplotlib and Seaborn help you visualize it. Whether you're exploring trends, predicting outcomes, or making data-driven decisions, Python is the go-to language. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, SALI AI. Python is the foundation of AI and machine learning advancements. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn enable developers to build intelligent systems, from recommendation engines to natural language processors. Automation. Have a repetitive task you want to eliminate? Python can automate it. From web scraping to sending automated emails, Python is the personal assistant you didn't know you needed. Game development. While not as prominent as other languages in this field, Python's Pygame library makes it possible to create 2D games quickly and easily. Cybersecurity. Python is a favorite for building tools to analyze vulnerabilities, automate threat detection, and enhance system security. No matter where your interests lie, Python likely has an application for it. The ability to switch between fields without needing to learn a new language is one of the reasons Python has become so widely adopted. Python isn't just a versatile tool, it's a ticket to high-demand, well-paying jobs. According to reports, Python consistently ranks as one of the most sought-after programming languages across industries. Why? Because companies rely on Python for their operations, whether they're building websites, crunching data, or developing machine learning algorithms. Some of the top roles requiring Python skills include data scientist. Data scientists analyze massive data sets to uncover patterns and make predictions. Python's data-focused libraries are critical in this role. Machine learning engineer. These professionals create intelligent systems capable of learning from data and making decisions. Web developer. Developers build and maintain websites, often leveraging frameworks like Django. Automation engineer. Python allows engineers to write scripts that automate time-consuming tasks. Cybersecurity. Analyst. Python is used to create tools that protect systems from attacks. Salaries for Python-based roles are highly competitive. Entry-level positions often start at $65,000 to $80,000 annually, and specialized roles like machine learning engineers or data scientists can command $120,000 to $150,000 or more per year. The beauty of Python's demand is that it's not limited to tech companies. Industries like healthcare, finance, retail, and even entertainment rely on Python to power their operations. This broad applicability means there's a place for Python skills in virtually any field. When you're learning something new, having support makes all the difference. Python boasts one of the largest and most active programming communities in the world. Whether you're troubleshooting an error, experimenting with a library, or looking for project inspiration, the Python community has your back. Online platforms like Stack Overflow, Reddit, and Python Discord channels are filled with developers eager to help newcomers. The abundance of tutorials, free courses, and documentation ensures you'll never feel stuck. If you encounter a problem, chances are someone else has faced it before, and the solution is just a quick search away. One of the most rewarding aspects of learning Python is how quickly you can see results. Unlike some languages where you spend weeks learning before you can build anything meaningful, Python allows you to start small and scale up. In your first week, you can write scripts to automate tasks, analyze a dataset, or even create a simple game. Seeing tangible progress early in your learning journey is incredibly motivating. It keeps you engaged and excited to learn more, which is crucial when tackling something as vast as programming. The world is becoming increasingly reliant on technology, and Python is at the heart of this transformation. Fields like AI, machine learning, and data science are growing exponentially, and Python is leading the charge. By learning Python, you're not just acquiring a skill for today, you're preparing for a future where Python remains relevant. Emerging technologies like quantum computing, bioinformatics, and autonomous systems are starting to use Python as well. This means the skills you gain now will likely continue to serve you in ways you can't yet imagine. Python is often called a gateway language because of how it simplifies the process of learning programming. Once you've mastered Python, picking up other languages like JavaScript, Java, or C++ becomes much easier. Python teaches you core programming concepts like loops, functions, and object-oriented programming in a way that's straightforward and transferable. If your ultimate goal is to be a well-rounded developer, Python is an excellent first step that opens the door to learning additional languages and expanding your skill set. Programming isn't just about writing code. It's about solving problems, thinking logically, and being creative. Learning Python builds these skills and gives you a sense of accomplishment. The confidence you gain from writing your first working program or completing your first project is unmatched. Python also encourages curiosity and experimentation. It's a language that invites you to explore and try new things without the fear of failure. Each small success builds on the last, creating a sense of momentum that keeps you moving forward. If you're still wondering if Python is worth learning, the answer is a resounding yes. It's a language that grows with you. As a beginner, you'll appreciate its simplicity. As you gain experience, you'll discover its power, and as you apply it in the real world, you'll realize its potential to transform your career and life. Learning Python isn't just about coding. It's about opening doors, building confidence, and preparing for a future full of opportunities. No matter where you are in your journey, remember this: every line of Python code you write is a step closer to your goals. So don't wait. The best time to start learning Python is today. Jump in and see where Python can take you. The possibilities are endless.